It's time to bring you chilling details with regards to the biggest matter of concern at the moment. I'm talking about air pollution, which continues to remain a concern for those who are living here in Delhi NCR. Let me walk you through the data that we have collected this morning. Air pollution continues to worsen in Delhi NCR and surrounding regions, with AQI figures showing alarming levels. In many parts of the city, air quality continues to remain in the severe and very poor categories, posing serious health risks for residents. The national capital, Delhi, is seeing extremely severe pollution with an average AQI of 389, falling in the severe category. In Noida, the AQI stands at 398, falling in the very poor category, while AQI in Greater Noida also remains in the very poor air quality with an AQI of 358. In Anand Vihar, the AQI is 363, again classified as very poor, whereas in RK Puram records an AQI of 348, marking it very poor as well. Whereas in the northwest area of Delhi, Wazirpur, the AQI reached 377, also falling in the very poor category.
People of Delhi and National Capital Region continues to battle against the toxic air condition. If I talk about today, then the overall air quality index still falls above 350, which is under very poor category. If you look around here at Anand Vihar, then you can clearly see that the visibility is quite low, and also the structures are not clearly visible. This is because the entire city is shrouded in a thick haze which has covered the skyline. Also, if I talk about Anand Vihar, then this is the hotspot of Delhi's pollution, and the AQI index today is 362. Also, if I talk about other areas, then Ashok Vihar is 361, Bhavana is 377, Chandni Chowk is 331, Dwarika Sector 8 it's 357. That is if I talk about the overall air quality index here in Delhi and National Capital Region, then it's above 350. However, there is a slight improvement in the air quality as compared to the previous days when it was falling above 400. Here at Anand Vihar, you can see that the traffic rush is still high, and also in visual you can see that water sprinkler is being used to slow down the dust, and this is a measure which is being followed under the graded response action plan, which is used to tackle air pollution. As of now, several measures of GRAP 4 is being used under GRAP 3 to curb the pollution level. Also, one of the major reasons behind the pollution in Delhi is vehicular emission. But you can see here in visual that in Anand Vihar, vehicles are running at a faster pace. That means even though GRAP 3 measure is implemented, yet the vehicular rush is quite high, which is one of the major reasons of pollution, apart from the stubble burning in the neighboring state. Also, Supreme Court has clearly stated that CAQM, that is Commission of Air Quality Management, along with Central Pollution Control Board, that is CPCB, they have been advised to take stricter actions to curb the pollution level in Delhi and National Capital Region. Also, people have been clearly advised to stay indoor as much as possible. As recently, Xiaomi head, he also suggested that the air quality is quite low, and that's why he cancelled his trip because of the deteriorating air condition prevalent in Delhi and National Capital Region. Also, there has been a 50% cap in private, municipal and government offices. That means 50% work from home, seeing the ongoing pollution level. With camera person Vijay Aparna Jha, News 9 Delhi.